What up, people? It is your boy, Mr. Noland. All right. So all of our Dallas Cowboy haters, I got another funny joke for you. It is actually, you know what the world's funniest joke is? It's the Dallas Cowboys. The way they're playing right now, man, it is such a joke. But oh well. Another game this week, playing the Eagles. See what happens. Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about dividing fractions and mixed numbers. So we have a few steps. The first step is to rewrite each mixed number as an improper fraction. And then rewrite any whole number as a fraction by putting them over 1. So if we look at this first example, I have a normal fraction divided by the whole number. To turn that into a fraction, put it over 1. And now there's 3 easy steps from here. Some of y'all know this as KFC, and no, we're not talking about the chicken restaurant. Keep it, flip it, change it, or KCF, keep, change, flip. It's the same exact thing. So I'm going to do KCF. K stands for keep it, change it, flip it. So keep it. Keep that fraction. Leave it alone. Change it from division to multiplication. Flip it means you take your fraction and you flip it the opposite way. And now we just have a normal multiplication problem. So when you're multiplying fractions like on the last video, multiply straight across. 1 times 1 over 2 times 5. Well, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 5 is 10. You're done. You can't simplify that. Man, that was easy. Woo! Everyone with me now. Everyone in class. Woo! Alright guys, here, let's do the second one. My fraction is already set up. We're good to go there. So 5/8 divide 1/2. Keep it, flip it, change it, or keep it, change it, flip it. It's the same thing. So we have 5/8. Flip it, so instead of division, it becomes multiplication. And change your fraction. Instead of 1/2, it becomes 2 over 1. And now we just get to straight up multiply. So we got 5 times 2 over 8 times 1. Well, 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 1 is 8. So we have 10 over 8. If you leave that as your answer, you're wrong. We have to convert the improper fraction back to a mixed fraction. So how many groups of 8 will fit into 10? Well, only one group will. So think about it. If you have $10 and you spend 8 of it, how much is left? Well, 10 minus 8 is 2. And then your denominator of 8 stays the same. But we're still not done. We're almost there. Look at your fraction. They're both even numbers, so they're both divisible by 2. So we get 1 and 1/4 as our final answer. Man, hold up. All right. Give the students a second to copy this down. So if you are a sub for Ms. Alvarez, please stop the video for a second. Allow the students to copy this down. I'm going to continue on with the next one. When you're dividing or multiplying fractions, you cannot multiply or divide with mixed numbers. Turn them into improper fractions first. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So that's 9 over 2 divided by 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Now we're set up with two fractions, nice and normal. Keep it, change it, flip it. Now I'm going to come bring this all the way down here so we can see. So we have 9 over 2. We kept it. Change it from division to multiplication. And flip the fraction. Now we can just straight multiply. We have 9 times 4 over 2 times 15. 9 times 4 is 36. 2 times 15 is 30. Since I have an improper fraction, convert it back to a mixed fraction. How many groups of 30 will fit into 36? 1. Very good. 1. So if you have $36 and you spend 30 of it, that means you have a remainder of $6 over your denominator of 30. Am I done? No! You can simplify. Yes, you can simplify. What number goes into both 6 and 30? Some of y'all are going to say 2, which is good. Some of y'all are going to say 3, which is great. And some of y'all are going to say 6, which is excellent. 6 goes into both of them. So you still have one whole. 6 divided by 6 is 1. And 30 divided by 6 is 5. There's the final answer. Let's see if we got anything on the back. If you're a sub, please pause. So that way the students have a chance to finish writing this down. I'm going to continue with the video. All right, we're going to move into modeling division problems. And when you are modeling, you're looking for the whole divided by the parts. All right, so the first one. Tanya and Carlos had enough money to buy 3 pizzas. Here's my 3 pizzas. Now, I'm a little disappointed. I'm on a diet. I had a breakfast taco this morning. Oh, that's an awesome diet, isn't it? All right, so they want to invite friends over and give each person 1/4 of a pizza. So I'm going to cut each pizza into fourths. They want to know how many people they can feed? Well, think about it. If each person gets 1 slice out of 4, there's 1 person, there's 2, there's 3. You can feed 4 people here. You can feed 4 people here. And you can feed 4 people here. How many total people was that? 12. You can feed 12 people. Mathematically, what did you do? You did 3 divided by 1/4. There's your whole divided by your part. Rewrite this. Sorry about that. We have 3 over 1 because I have to turn the whole number into a fraction. Change it from division to multiplication and flip your fraction. Well, guys, what's 3 times 4? That's 12. 1 times 1 is 1. What's 12 divided by 1? 12. Done. All right. Are we good with that one? Let's see. Use the model to find the quotient. Okay, well, I'm not going to start with the model. I'm going to start with the keep it, change it, flip it. So keep the first fraction, change to multiply, flip the second fraction. If you multiply straight across, you would get 60 over 20, And how many $20 bills will fit into $60? 3. All right, so how would we model that one? Well, actually, it's already modeled for us. Here's my 6/10. 3 of them fit in there. It's actually already modeled. We don't really need to model that one. All right, so let's see the last part. Dividing fractions by dividing across. It only works when the numbers are divisible. Okay, so let's see here. Keep it, change it, flip it. So 3/4 times 4/1. Now, can I simplify the 1 and the 3? No, I cannot. However, if you look across here, the numbers are 4. What number goes into both 4? Well, 4 can go into 4, right? So think about it. 4 can go into 4 one time. 4 can go into 4 one time. Multiply straight across. You get 3/1, which is just 3. Man. All right, last one. Keep it, change it, flip it. All right, so here we go. You can't simplify the 1s. That's as low as they go. What about the 2 and the 8? What goes into both of those? Well, 2 does. How many times can 2 go into 2? Go in there one time. How many times can 2 go into 8? Go in there 4 times. Multiply straight across. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Done. Again, if you are the sub for Miss Alvarez, do me a favor and pause the video so the students can copy all this down. I'll even zoom out a little bit so they can get it all. Alright guys, I hope this video helps. You will get some practice after this video. You're going to get some practice on Tuesday, Wednesday. I know the regular students are taking a quiz on Friday over dividing fractions. Alright, y'all have a great day. Bye.